How to create a Walmart money card account. Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a Walmart money card account. So then to begin with, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar, type in www.walmartmoneycard.com. This is going to take you to a direct page of Walmart money card. After that, this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, go ahead and tap on open an account. It's going to ask you to provide in your money card information, that is your first name, last name, address, apartment or unit, zip code, your mobile number, email address, social security number and date of birth, all that. After that, you need to go through these terms and conditions as well and make sure that you mark on I'm not a robot and click on the continue button. Next page, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. For that, a security code will be sent, and as soon as you're done entering the security code, you'll be directed to the other interface. So after that, basically you'll be asked to create a login ID. That includes creating a username and then a password. Once done with that procedure, you'll be taken to the home page with the statement stating that you've successfully created your Walmart money card account. After that, all you have to do is just select the options and then follow the on-screen prompt. So that is basically how you can create a Walmart money card account. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.